Okay, so I'm just mixing up the saline solution or the Desiccant solution for my air conditioner. Now I've got 5 kilos of salt in a 20 litre bucket. You can mix about 30% into water, right? So 35 grams per 100 millilitres or thereabouts, or 3.5 kilos of salt to 10 litres of water. So I should be able to get 7 kilos of salt mixed into a 20 litre bucket. So 6 kilos should mix in this, because I'm not going to have it quite at 20 or 5 kilos should mix in this easy enough, because I'm not going to have 20 litres in here. It's too hard to pour out. So anyway, but also to help the mixing situation, if you heat the water up, it'll actually dissolve in it faster. So I've got 67 degree water according to my hot water system there, and I've got the water heated up already. And mixing it as well will help. So I've got a little paint mixer to stir it in once we've got the water in there, and we're going to dissolve this, because this is the desiccant that's going to do all of the work when we're actually using the aircon. And I'm going to put about 15 litres in here, because that's about what concentration I want. And so there's 5 kilos of salt is what's actually going to be doing the work in my air conditioner. And I've actually got a kilo of salt that I've put in already into the system. So there's probably 5.5 in all reality, because some of the other batch didn't dissolve properly. That's nearly, I guess, a bit over 10 litres of water there, and hot water going in, and so that's got to be helping dissolve that salt a lot faster than if it wasn't hot water. It's interesting to see how much we get dissolved into here. Looks like it's just about all dissolving in there now, actually. Not quite clear. It's getting there. Now I want it all dissolved in properly, because my little spray nozzle will block up if I don't have the salt dissolved properly. And that looks like about all the water I'm going to put in that bucket. And that's pretty close to dissolved in there, by the looks of it. So we might just leave that some time to mix in properly and dissolve properly, and we'll come back to it later. But that's my active ingredient for the air conditioner. And this is my model out here. Now this is a particularly small house, like the whole footprint of the house is 47 square metres. So this air conditioner, I'm not sure whether it's going to be the right size or too big or what, but that's it there, all set up. Now this is just set up as a prototype to test the temperatures and see what differences and that we're getting, but obviously when I start installing it in the home, I'll make it look a lot prettier and tidy up all of the hoses and cables and things. And this here I'm just going to chuck in a bucket of warm water at the moment to get the heat, but when I'm running this properly, I'll plumb it through onto the roof and use a solar heater. Anyway, alright, that's me, and we'll see how we go from here.